Hey guys, my name is Dyer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a potent hair oil, pomade, and hair butter for hair growth using only a few powerful natural ingredients that work wonders for hair growth. These three ingredients have many benefits and have been proven to support hair growth. This treatment is also great for itchy scalp, alopecia, dandruff, and for maintaining a healthy scalp environment. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
The first ingredient I'll be using is cloves. I'll be using about 1/3 cup of this ingredient. Cloves are excellent for hair treatment and have been used for a very long time to treat scalp issues like dandruff, and they also help prevent hair loss and baldness while promoting healthy hair growth. Next, I'm adding rosemary. Again, I'm using 1/3 cup of this as well. You can use dried or fresh rosemary. Both will work just fine. Rosemary is a powerful herb known to promote hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp, reducing hair-related changes, and more. My third ingredient is dried peppermint leaves. Again, I'm using the same 1/3 cup measurement as before. Peppermint is amazing for hair growth because of its high methyl content, which boosts scalp circulation and stimulates hair follicles during the active growth phase. Now I'll grind all the herbs into powder form, which is one of the best ways to create an effective herbal oil, pomade, and hair butter for hair growth. This is how all the ingredients look like after grinding. Now I'll transfer the powder into a jar. I'm using 2 tablespoons of this herbal powder. Going into this jar, I'm adding about 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. After putting it in, make sure you mix everything really well. To infuse the oil, I'll be using the double boiler method. That is just putting water into a pan and letting the jar sit inside of the pan with the boiling hot water. By now, I've already placed the jar in the hot water and I'm letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure I'm stirring occasionally. Once your oil looks like this, you can take it off of the stove and let it cool down a bit. Now that the oil has cooled, I'll strain it using a fine strainer. This is all the leftover particles, and this is what the oil looks like after straining. I'll now be adding some vitamin E oil and mixing it very well. This step is pretty optional, or you could use any essential oil of your choice. Now let's transfer the oil into a small dropper bottle. This will make using it way easier. Alright guys, here is our potent herbal hair oil. What do you think? We'll be using the double boiler method again to make the pomade and the hair butter. Starting off, I've already added the shea butter, and now I'm adding virgin hair fertilizer. I'll now go ahead and place the bowl into this hot water that I have here. I'll let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until fully melted, making sure I'm stirring occasionally. Now that the shea butter is mostly melted, I'm adding in the herbal oil and mixing everything really well. This is how it looks like once it's all done. Next, I'll transfer some of the mixture into the small jar for the pomade and place it into the freezer for the next 15 to 20 minutes. The remaining mixture will be put in a bowl and also put in the freezer for the next 15 to 20 minutes. After taking it right out the freezer, this is the potent pomade. The texture is beautiful. I'll be using it to help with hair breakage and to promote thicker hair growth. Now, after removing the remaining mixture from the freezer, I will now use a hand mixer to whip it into a butter. I'll continue mixing until I achieve the smooth, creamy texture that I want. So guys, the butter is all done now. This butter will definitely help your hair, and you will be shocked at how much more manageable, thicker, and healthier your hair will be after consistently using these 3 things I showed you today. I'll now put the hair butter into another jar as well. Alright guys, this trio with the powerful oil, pomade, and hair butter is now ready to use and to store. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you try out this amazing trio out, let me know how it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!